Hey, guess what? We're camping. So, we are in the KOA Niantic Campground. Just got here. Check-in is at 1. So we're checked in, and now me and my girls, we're going to attempt to put up our tent. This is where the tent is gonna go. It's cool. We're at T3. So it's a spot way over here. So there's a lot of different places to camp on here. So this is one of the areas. Behind us we have a forest, which is pretty cool. It's a pretty crowded campground, but at the back of the campground you don't have anybody. So we've got that going for us. And since we don't have an RV, we're not up with the RVs. This one, we paid an extra $5 for water, to have access to water and electricity, and also to have a hard surface to put your tent, because if you don't, then you can wind up putting your tent on any surface. Like this is an area that is just basic, which is fine, you know. There is no hard surface, so it could be not level, it could have rocks or whatever. But we'll walk around later after we get our tent set up and show you what all they have. We have mini golf, play area, stuff like that. But yeah, we'll check that out later. But right now I need to get the tent set up, and then later we'll go for a walk and look at all the things. They even, I think they have a fire truck that they take around at different times. You can hop on and hop off. The only downside is it's really warm this weekend, so definitely lots of water. Yeah. Anyways, cool. Let's go set up a tent and see how much fun my girls have helping me set this thing up. All right, we'll get back to you. Okay, so the tent is now up. Everyone has their beds, blow up mattress, so you know, little comfort when you're camping. We have the fire going so we can cook later. While we were away, we had food in here, and not even gone an hour. Look at that, squirrels. One squirrel did that, so we're on the lookout for squirrel. Squirrels are out here, and they're trying to oh, that's a bird. They're trying to take my animal crackers. I'm assuming that's what they're after. There's animal crackers, cinnamon toast crunch cereal. So yeah, but we got the tent up, beds are made, dinner is being prepared. So potatoes and steak, so that should be good. All right, and then we'll do this later, maybe if we do s'mores. All right, cool. The cool thing is each day, twice a day, they have a fire truck that drives around the property, and the kids can ride it free of charge. So that's always a fun little activity all the families get to do when they're here. It's just another fun thing to do while you're here. A little mini putt-putt golf course they have. But yeah, it makes its way around the property. About a 5-10 minute drive, so something. It's different. There's a sleuthing. If you want to go hunt for gems, you got to buy your lucky rocks, then put it there, and then hope that you find gold or special rocks. It's fun. It's another way for them to make money, and then you to be entertained. So a cool thing about the campsite that we're at, they have a hiking trail across from the campground. You have to cross traffic, which is light, not too bad. And they have a hiking trail that leads down to the ocean. So I think it's right around a mile hike. So me and my daughter woke up early this morning, so we want to get down there and see what it looks like. But eventually this is what it leads to. But yeah, so we're gonna take it and see where it leads us. We'll just do little snippets, not do the whole mile walk, but it looks fairly easy walking path, not too difficult. Vehicles aren't allowed. I don't know if you can put a bicycle on here, but it's worth it, I guess, if you're at the campground. Well, they do provide a shuttle, but it's not running yet, so we're gonna take our own 2 feet as our shuttle and walk down there. Now if you go to the state park beach in your vehicle, I'm pretty sure you have to pay for parking, so this way is a little cheaper. You don't have to pay for parking and you get a little bit of a workout. So yeah, not bad. All right, we'll pick this up a little bit later. So a little update, we're about halfway in. We're getting there. So this is like a body of water that flows into the ocean, so you can't see it that well right now, but I guess it's because it's sort of stagnant. You can smell it, so it doesn't smell the greatest, but you can tell we're getting close, making progress. Oh yeah, my daughter wanted to add that make sure you wear a hat or something if you're going to be using the trail. The horse flies are bad, so big flies, and just cover your head and it won't be as bad. She was smart, she has a hat. I had to put my swim trunks on my head, but yeah, it's early in the morning, so maybe that's why they're more active. I don't know. All right, we'll come back. So this is impressive. So we've come almost to the end, and they have this little bridge to end it, and it's quite a sight to see. There's something else. Someone was smart, they wore long sleeves. The bugs are very active this morning. All right, let's finish this up.
Almost there.
Yep, almost there. Get him.
Oh, he's making you bleed.
Did you get him off?
Yeah, I got him off.
cool, and it opens up to here. All right, we'll get back. Right. So when you finally reach here, there's a railroad that goes above it, but there's a little entrance that you can go through. That empties out into the beach, to the ocean. They have lifeguards on duty, just not yet. We're a little early. Here's some of the things to watch out for. It's a nice area. Still cleaning. Goes up and around. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Water is nice and calm. This will definitely be easier if I take my shoes off. Alright, so camping's done. So at the end of the camping, you can collect your coins and go in and trade them in for whatever kind of goodies they have. So that's always fun and exciting. That's what my kids are doing now. They do have some, I think, yurts that's down there that you can rent, but I think it's only allowed 4 people allowed in there. So it's got like a little fridge. It's almost like a little house or whatever. But anyways, and that's it. Let's see if they found what they wanted. But anyways, yeah, in here they have anything that you would need. Lots of different activities that are going on. So if you need anything, they have merch you can buy. Looks like they're trying to pick out what they want. Did you guys pick out what you wanted? What'd you get? Alright. Alright. So cool. We're done. Have a nice day.